And this is Courtney with Texas Teacher Today, and I know that the LOTE is a tough test with about a 50% failure rate. It's not exactly that, it's about 46%. So if you haven't passed it, you're not alone and you're in the right place to learn more about how to pass it. So today I thought I'd go over some free resources you can use to help you on the pedagogy instruction and assessment section. So I'm just going to go to Google, type in Texas NESC manual. You've probably already done this where you go to the LOTE Spanish manual, click on prepare, scroll down and you can click on LOTE Spanish. But what you might not know is the German and French tests also have pedagogy. So let's go to French, go. We're going to scroll down and click on number 8, content knowledge questions. And then this has several pedagogy questions, 17, and so does the German. And they're just like the LOTE Spanish ones because the first 3 competencies are the same. So let's look at one of these questions. And you can go through all of these, read all of the rationales, and learn why things are right. A foreign language teacher divides students into groups of 4 and does the following. In each group of 4, the teacher gives 3 of the students different pictures. Then the teacher gives the 4th person a picture that is identical to one of the other 3 pictures already distributed. Nobody sees the other student's pictures. The teacher then tells the students that the 4th person has a picture identical to one of the other 3, and that the 4th person's task is to engage in an interaction in the target language with the other 3 students, which will help him/her determine which of the other 3 students has the identical picture. Only the target language is used during the lesson. Which of the following best describes the teacher's approach? A, audiolingual method, B, communicative language teaching, C, lexical approach, D, community language learning. Well, if you're like most people, you don't know what any of these are. In my course in tutoring, we talk about these theories and experts, but they're going to give you some information here too. So they say B is correct because this is an example of functional communication, which involves sharing information with restricted cooperation, a key component of communicative language teaching. So sharing information with restricted cooperation. A is incorrect because the autolingual method is implemented by means of performing dialogues and repeating pattern drills. C is incorrect because the lexical approach is implemented by focusing on fixed expressions or lexical units and noting language patterns. D is incorrect because in community language teaching, the students form a circle and collaborate to communicate in the target language, with the teacher serving as a guide and interpreter. So if you need help learning these theories, models, experts, 5Cs, ACTFL, all the stuff you need to know for the LOTE pedagogy, which is the hardest part for almost everybody, let me know. You can call me or text me at 361-846-0741. I'd be happy to help you pass the LOTE and land your dream job or keep your dream job. So please call or text me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to watch all of my videos. Thanks.